Abusua for mo nyina akwaba. Ebra so se do man komotwetwe ebremo. Na no pay. Honorable George Kuntu Blankson, a former MP, Infantiman East, Honorable Akwaba. Ono aso ye san bone mrane se Raskuntu. Na waje so fefefe Raskuntu.
Yeah, respect.
Honorable Emmanuel Chebate Jako MP. I also West Wogon. Honorable says sir.
Sir.
Yes. MP no. Between 2002 to 2009, FDB Foods and Drugs Board. Penipa no. Honorable Bekayensa, Honorable Efibo Cordia.
Onyame adom ne mpaibo.
Nyame so Honorable Mesha Simfru so ne. This week mo kotuma ba no.
Na okay.
It's okay. Let's say they say as a
okay. Boko pa
se kan twitwa bia.
Oh, there be anticipate. Bibia ni hosa.
Bibia ni.
There be aye boko pa.
Surprises and as done deal.
You dey kind no ma me fa konya so enchetie fo nyina eni ahwefo we nyete fo ya ahwefo ye chia mo nyina ni tichu me peso asofo aye waso weso go adehia o madaroma ene mi na me gina mo ene mo wo brashe bedwamo me do mase ene nyam kese o mo de ahye me ye be koso aye de betimi aye bia apagya na aye yie me yie ni ye pe me obi na bo no nyum bi me nam na me tete na ye namo aye titi pa de
batikpe
se de omo keka no saa na tie pa de a ene na me se abaya ye koto kamia koye se ya to awie aka ne kan se de amanfo keka se de police station for na de me na me tete no me say na numu ya ye meeting general meeting ye free constituency police station for nyina me de me feel say democracy no ye de obia de nipa no pe ene ejama na ye ubisa mo a otiti mo a say ya no if you say esi hine for no omo ye share omo no I am said de dodo na ka wo at least me peso aso na metimi aka me peso aso for de I am so mo dodo pa no de omani a kire fa ko enti no ewiase de nkrafo ka ale no yeje but be ye hu be ye nwanwa say bibi betimi asesa but me de me na mo ametete de am say da kwan ba ko bi peso
so that yen to say in politics no it be drew point be a nipa nyina atimi do madwen hwe fa ako it
I see it be sipa
okay
and you know sa na me say akoye at least with this contest the me tete no I am say dodo na yo madwen so beto amana na do danko akufado
okay Raskuntu NDC confab in limbo yes musu fie court 7 year 3 years suspended.
Okay, Tike, I'm far quite yes na maso minchia on my money na watershed. I UTV and I pay na more especially I Infantiman East for that matter Central Region. The MS and I pay Yamede and Dabakwaka and down.
Amen.
So there's a ditchina Yambuwa. You have a brain when you ebi da wan sor na say ya sor na kire nya me wotrim po bi wo ya brabom nti o tware ye da nase tiki well the ku bi ade da man obetum esi mentem ho ase mempe da madi on do obetum esi but mpemfu so akade nsisi ntina asemdi bia ho na ya me dede e bai no onkotwo bi sikan na wankobo bi na asum o da akodan asemdi bia na asemdi bia so what do you see? Na mobile per na so je bebo menu what that to nti fi there ya defa kwampano da asonje baba mo biara ne ho aton osana dam nyeme baba na bia na amfambra na anya adwuma akofambra pede wara fa kuti kwan bi na di koji do manyim na agbagbo no so o man no woton nti yandama obi basor no eta nti so aso eta o de na yehwe yede yesuade the bibia enyi de ya ende ye bibia ya boboa maku ni begina brane ezane won wo hyeku na ase no wan fa dem su atom jira wan fa dem su no wode ye kan na ndisi asem de renti de ndisi asem yare kopo court nchinchiri ya na da madi
se court na abam
but nso oye oboa kebam kebia mambu na oboa ye mra ayewo man nso mo gina brane nti mi fi de onye bibia oye hu oye nyamene pa fi de obahwe na asem didi yi atuye ana adom na waso wozo kwa se wotra na obu wadwunim no hu de bia mehu de nzama mekan no wo ye ho adwuma na so betwe asano so so ka ne fie yi wo se ano na anu hia ntotomba na asem so ba nye sika na odutwam anu ya na odbeka nti mi wa we hiem de onyamene pa bibia be
but on nantenti bibia
oh baby bonnie bibia bonnie biansi
okay Honorable Ajako IMF na nsem mu ne bedi nkuta ho ensem bebre kwa binim se ye binim se nye finally last week the TN say the figures bi akoma omo yes omo ni pe ba ko aba be akoka se figures na de ba ye no nye sa na etie na ye sore ya esi omo si omo de clarification aba de pa na ekoso
yo tike
honorable
se bita frache ye nyina no onyame aye yadom amia kusku kakra na ye kase bibi a percentage of bibia e kire se oboa ba ko ano we say ye can debt GDP se the IMF no kan ye nokure se nye nokure se baby ekosi ye bia no fie tike misi ye ya ye interrogate asem no oman ya yetimu nyama no enye sa enye secret baby bia sa o ko statistical service o betimi enya current GDP value me de meti wo baby anopai ni say ye the projection ye the growth rate no ka ho besi what the fa say June no so ya de na ya na ye no 3 months ye fa e bia June and as September figure current GDP no it's about 100 billion Ghana cedis 100 billion
yeah
and now your public debt so I say ye hwehwe budget presentation mu and as again your between Ministry of Finance controller and a banker you be who your current debt
but current GDP we say 100 billion cedis and I say dollars all right okay
and your current debt your kafu anso so I kwaya your be 67 to between 67 to 69 billion both debt no you wo abrochire de and you wo local
yeah
you kasa mienu nu bomu a na say you convert it, even at the government rate of Bank of Ghana rate of 3 point BBB no obroni abrochire de and ye de bomu a it is by 67 billion ade aye ka no you see a debt to GDP debt 67 GDP 100 and you be 67 no ratio you be 67 at the 69 and you know say antisa obi friend no ka say ye pedal falsehood and you know masa me de me hunu de ye kam din yo tike me hunu de ye kam din yi kura ade no sabta frache we sabi obi adru class 3 kura na so wo de kire na obetimi abu sa konta na ma wo ti ase we anya quantum mechanics so anya advanced mathematics we arithmetic ne ye unless ye be ka kire ye ne se atama ye ka no GDP me say aban me ka kire se oman yi mu ha ye GDP asa se June or September figures so be come IMF no ye say aban me ka kire ye se ye public debt ye say no see
uni hwe kan bi
na we me say na me kan me dia me hunu dia me ntiase na me dia atodwai e bia sabi me school konkwa akire ebi a minim de enko akire na se mi school ko akire na minim de enko akire a omo school ko akire omo nim de enko akire no omo mra meka akire but me de mi fi de minim menti ase ne se the GDP no aye be 100 billion the debt aye between 67 and 69 billion se entisa abai meka se entisa ade aye kikan de etore bia na me
se yem fa de se wo figures na wo ka no a wo se de wonim e fa de wo hunu no sa na te a e kire sei
oh na kire sei debt to GDP no aye be 69% to 71 ebi a omo de minim ba bi omo konya 71 no but me say I am maintaining say the me mantiase the me hunu mu kire no that is where we have gotten to and this yet me correct and this I'll be the first person to admit say my sign
papa na abone say tisa
economics there me sure be that but kakra beti ase no
se obia so obia so nsu economics da so obia so e wo sika ne ototo ne sika asem ne ya obia ye
you know we fan mat say die fie ye over bosia body enkenye bone America baby omu duru ye yesi na nsia na China abetwa omo ho as the number 1 economy of the world dodo na bosia ene de boy ene de si America man ko duru baby edure but omo no bosia na omo boy na omo de ya de papa ti bosia body e wo de ya de papa enye bone o ti ase na die ehu de be nwanwa ene se obosia bo no ekoduru baby a omo fra no that sustainability e chese insiwu a obetua no adwuma a wo ye no
unya samfa
so no fa ko tua sa insiwu no so you keep sinking further and further into debt na afi ehiam hwe ewiase ha omo wo matrix susu dua bia ye de yesa na eme nyina ansa na president Kufuor beba no eya na nkrofo baaye omo se president Kufuor na de call hipic enya president Kufuor na de call president Kufuor baaye ne wo hipic
ba na enyanya sa declaration
oh yes
odo no ye declaration
ade tike ade no emo ho na mo ho ehu hia se emo ho na mo ho ade no enya na nye
na ye se emo ho so aka na obi mu a
aka na obi mu a o ti ase enti president Kufuor ba ma o sisuo man no ham onya kukuduro ka se ade no ba bia ye gina pɛɛni ye gina bia pɛɛni omo no omo pese omo de kanukura at that time our debt to GDP ratio was in excess of 140%.
But the argument is mo share that yes I said the be gu the previous NDC regime na nimu ase say ye ka buruburu Ghana ya kodoma hia fufu
TK eye nokure anase na nye nokure me say economics no eye measurement so eye susu dua bi na de to ho samre no ewiase nyina de ato se susu dua no ekoduru se ya de wo bi sa me question wo bi sa me ewiase omo mo hwe finance ni economic IMF no omo nyina mo ka say for a developing country if your debt to GDP ratio comes up to about 60% your debt is unsustainable.
This is what the car bro so
what the car ama ebu kom
enkadom
enti no enya so obi na ekan gu obi anim ase but jina bia ye jina no sa netie
1441 enim enkomotwetwe wo so adwen kira wo fa ho raskuntu
yeah TK you see
e ka no emne ho Cowrison
se botoi mo boton dama so na de boko aya na mo kede nye president Kufuor na de enko hepika amementazi
o so akire mu ha o se ade na ahia na ebi a wo na mpese obotu nti so bi hunu waka je o se ahia wa se wo dem dada
nti se de kwa kede me de kwe o se na mambato no na na edu a minya me de ba obese ya no onam de kwe azaze aha meba meba o kasa mankasa
yedi nkomo hade yedi nkomo
wasma nkomodin mantafro wa no ntima mo nkoro mi wi a
mati
se sakada be ma osinsu mo ha miefuna na kire onye be ma so de getu kroma ogina ho no obi sina o man be getu
yeah
na yen no de getu na wakote ano nya be ma
in this case in president Kufuor kan say me de atum me gina no nso
megina no ana ya gba ye bo NDC baba to no so wo hu de dam ensesan ye fa ore ye fa kwan foforo so na mom yare di amansi on ntina initially no why the what ye kwa IMF say Nansiana dede nsam de o mine nkoye o mine ti dam o mine mu ayete na fi was okay sada moma yen ko hu dam enuanu mi na won so won den wo ma hwe kwan bi a won so ba na oboboa obeye so onye bon azase ba me tike ma me etri ma dwen sisi ane de figures na wore asunsun wo mun ono ha o sande isi no kwar ye krope na no kwar so tire nyinsen
so to be fancy
da bi debuntum fancy
continue na boss anima
no kwar tire nyinsen ntum fancy anti se wo man mu na se ye bibia o de ye ma no kwar no ye de o deti o sande se obi boboa kro do hu no kwar no na hu de o dam yarba ekutei na no edunyi na se ede yarba ni bi kosie na se edu na nkaka yarba na se yarba no ontum nko ono ne aza me fi de o ye me ya kakra miti ya wo ho aso a citizen ana o man ba me ma dwena me kiro na tiki me pedem bi sa asem de ana owode ye twen o man bi ana ye didi
say wo say ye twen o man bi asa na didi
yes of course
sani ye gina yan kasa so
that is it
because ye gina ye di kan kasa say we are capable of managing our own affairs and so still ye ko dan for
nti e den no de ye ase o man as ye fidamadi ono nzama o de ye start de erjo o sa na bia ye kan oh ye friend den titifo wo ye dam kodu dam na ye nso bad ne ye sisi ayo he bad ne ye tike ewu de ye budget bia no o de ye nya donor support enko si da ben ne ye be kodo aya twen donor support as ye didi ayenyi mi de mpanyifu so obuba bi de sedwe yi to bi na pasa aba do bobuada so mine wetum we wenyi scam wodo bobosia e bad na we ye wenyi scam na wo so aso mine wontra ho na engine hu de dama na mo ne yetu a obobo ye nyinara oni ntina aban shase de initial home growing policy a oti by de ntema bi wode yetutu ye na de bia yemfo yin into aman medo yara man fo yale hey anu so
basa aban an show commitment bi asa or the year adwuma
tk
because when you cry me hey ubisa me say the full complement of homegrown policy na mean to me kan
that kwa remember mama pa change the tk say what now na wu da me kwan na tro kwa or then make sure there inya aboso aye be den di be gina o yakọ na se kodu baby na itete amanfo ne wokeka na twu fi wo kwan no da lindu baby awokọ dam not lindu baby awokọ ehu me se edekọ ye nyamesum a tike hu de adu bi Moses wente nyame nenden no say domina word nation o za na nyame frɛ Moses no na domina nyi ho anti damasna so wo your man a okandifu biara o man ni din sunsun meta wo mu no awuna woda show mu nti ayewo ne unyame anti se akwankyere wo benya ebebo mu de damati na me ya me de be gyeme dom no ade isi brane na ye de ko awie
correction I buy any say figure na amanfo kan say IMF nipa na kan Gupta kan no so corruption is currently no GDP no actual figure available to IMF staff for the end of 2013 no 56 of GDP. But the Okaka when said the statement further said the number 71% corresponds to the level projected at the end of 2015. Is it or 2014? In the same fashion end of 2013 say 56. Now say it could do 2015 about 71 enyehu.
And say me catch there. Me come a cat other to authentic paper burning.
Daily guide.
I may come out there to crack him. And America. That's but ni nature TK question will be Sunday. And he found a yepede yako. No man he found a yepede DC as a manful as a mine and individual. Because I sika wokoji na no wokoji anyo man weduma no de be o manfo no wodi sika na be wo hweduma nti ode ye nyinara ye nya adwin anisuadu hu bi se ana ye be kosare ye de awie ahye dam ye fensen multilateral or multinational institutions im
say yankasa kura yakasa saade no say ekoso woti asese ekura na mse meti o kasa mo sa na pese o kire
yes
and the binuma kase se saa so na te dia ene na say ye mo ye homode because I to say ye ja ni yebetimi ade bi kura ho anka yebetimi akura wo Ghana ha na ya mana say ni ejina chi kwaku pesika so otie ya na wankasa unu akwaku ba ko last week or two o kan bibi say sika ye say akodi di national service ho hwan kwasa nka say sika ni yetimi aboabo anu a ke hu hia say nka ekwa amefo
ani ntina me ka
ya mpesi bisa
ye hawo no de bia metra meka o ye hawo no ye politics na riku Ghana esande se amanye ku nipa bi kwaye bone a instead there embran ni bedin na ni ku no aso ejina nechi enti so so ejina nechi a na kwaye divide and rule or then make sure that me protect because me image of the party no is at stake enti or them ko jina echi mbo kutupa na sie na ye hu that e your mind went na ewu enti your mind na order ni dia da ma jin obetwa na sika biara akɔhye beebi a onye ye betuma gye na kan na abomu a obetuma amamomai oman na ediba no so na mom ebinum a woldin ona amamomai de bre na ye ya na the politics afrim na akwa ha nti sie betu
mo sheda ho ya nkohie oba bi na moye madwen se sa na ye be ye
tike obi ani wo sheda
basa de no koso
na me mai bi
da bisa wo nya bi kura na
me hui o sa na se ko da meeting bi na betu akare wo sheda na wo ye dam na ma meeting ko da meeting bi da nti me so metumi ya no nti mama kan de mama yenjina se oman na yemfa politics ne nto nchen na yenhwe de so oman bi ye no gina ya ye do
wan na be chat sa course na me ye date
me ne wo
wan no be di kan me nye president me ni to me bia aha meti
no se yer kan nya se wan obenyansafo obu be na won kana sem wan na wo twa oman wo retei here se Kwame Nkrumah ka sem bi o se o ka bibi o se edom no won fa huti ana wa dem di se ama won sanka na ekoso edi shefem na tete wa wo sora
bombe explode
that is it ono oye philosophical factor
begin former president Rollins kura every state
yes it's a philosophical factor you cannot go against it. It's a law of nature. Say chichi nipa ni pia there the should be ashe tumpan mu na we su ano rimbe mo shu ni mpo nko at the end of the day say pressure ni yakese a aba no ye opai nti o dey yen hu de oman oye na ye za enye nipa ba ku biti nti say obiri yen na ye kabom na decide there ya pede de nkwadama okanifo so de ameko na okanifo no de worko na osi empye bayedam a wa na ho be kiro atase nti mesre de moma yen hya se ye bedwen oman no ne ye hukwa ye be fa so yen ja this van IMF okay because I'm way
Honorable Jako IMF what's I'm way but another issue who is strategy I'm say no sorry what finally as the president or the nkrata would petition and inside account the akwa chief justice say on yesterday the constitution no chair say oye on hwehwe saa asema ya betu the fast charge boss no me say what is asema now among for us more can say na say we hwe na SBBSC president say the NT committee we hwe na it tells us say president anyade a also so sabi katase shani dwirimu ne comments about say BBC obe act and he has acted said there was a constitution so on but the whole strategy in the stage I could continue be can ho, and then the amount for can say the president is up and doing on Niagara or Teyape or Bayer Hum Bibi National Service why Jida why Suba Sad Danina why Hum Bibi on Yadi or Bekatakaso. And yes, sanity.
Oh, Bible or Bible can't send me. Bible verse be meaning baby, I mean, kai baby, or see, they have a form of godliness, a form, but they deny the power thereof.
Or carrying any man, some panels or Pemu then.
And also had a table tree more, a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof. The person me cut it and said, oh, na America crowd woman can make I am a free to answer na me ba.
Oh, wait make a crash say yen komona na yedi na.
I am a fadie. See e be ko say yen committee the minia say the minia kuntu kan. So mo be kai ananse ya program president excellency John Dramani Mahama o free amanone buy o ko New York o ko fa Dubai answer na obey.
Oba na o yen so o ko New York o buy. Na o ko fa Dubai answer na oba there. I'm just some go to member street.
Oh, that's for Dubai.
And I'm just but what ba?
Me person me say oh say me na friend say.
Baby
o call ye.
So no nam so dey buy.
Oh.
Okay.
Aja bone ade.
No of Dubai or bibia na.
Oh, I need me nim.
Okay.
Nyame nim no credit.
All right, okay.
But oh, nani say as a president, presidential trips there, you come once and be a croma. And maybe do as a president go for baby will be a go be that.
Yeah.
Moi. I had no president or call UN and or call Dubai.
Okay. And Waba. Yes.
Me Kaipa said, I am a program, Moamo network, be baby, so no be beside deputy minister, beside Dubai, no then is man, Tidia or Kaya, me, Yamianim, no credit, your quiet and man. But oba ye share na airport no asem ba ko kaya me bo me tire nko ni se o se sa IMF ya ye ko die
we dey last
enye die twato ticket the woman say 2009 to 2012 ye ko bio June as July 2012 an ye wie ba ko and yes an ko bio ye ayam say me dey me imagine say papa no kra afa dey ya no ferry kakra say e dey ba nko ana da bia say essentially IMF no it is a bailout person can we no but dey wo mu ano no
I say why you feel na wonya cholera na Zebra hospital
na wo dey o ba ya ni na bia ya o se me sa ko bio mu enti no papa no kra am say enya ne de but ne nukura pa ne say maybe say nti ya dan ye fra ya sabia ba ye ya yes akwasa sabia bio obi apani sa o sabi 57 years ago and President Nsroma that time Prime Minister Nsroma o catching we say the black man is capable of handling his own affairs na edu sa no na de bia wo ko e ba wi an so kwasi broni ya o broni koko ya o kwasi koko ya o ebe wi ase kwasi koko ya na wo kwa waka kire so obetimi ayo you see okwa de obeka kire won say yo waba wona mo say mo wage mo debt mo way enti no de men na wo proposal for instance we are seeing na yenim say obia wage ebia e was say between 35 to 40% of your internally generated revenue.
Yeah.
Well, now what would you say 70 you? And you know one of two things. Either say Uber raise revenues, you know, and I say Uber bring it down payments for compensation.
Say 60 kana o je no to no.
Oba
na doso. Na say the only two angofo ka.
Obeteso. Una there is a best practice. And you know, I'm fatuo nsi through say ye say. Now I'm say we are any revenue no etuo na wogege no ma no nkosoro. So long as ratio no correct, it's okay. Debt kabo. Say any year kai, asema na year kai ni. Say your interest payment. Hwe
20 ye di tuansi ho no
insi ho 2013 November Minister of Finance ba Parliament the okachire uyi samre no budget or the buy no uyi compensation the editua ka ye editua social security editua pensioner de na emu ye du pa bio eye insi ho tua interest payment na no kwa ye be 6 billion na sia ye call ya or ye midterm review ye masa the minister no obeka kire ya na ye nnuama mienu pe o mo ma me kwan na me mabusia no bi nka ho na me fa bi ntwansi ho ensi ho no every 6 something billion no akọ over 8 billion
and no percent ke yetua because ye ntua e be koso akoso e be dore
abi sense no de ya ni se ya mabusia na ma nsi ho no the project ye no atwafum enti say oba beji permission of parliament adi si hu sika no bi aka ho mabusia na projection 6.9 no atwafum o ti ase tike oba ti budi ati hu ni o na say ya fra ya parliament adi aba pa de koye ye
muko ye dan
oh anya abusia bo approval Musia bo akwanya say Chinese law na ya kan wasam da bi Chinese law ya baba ka enanti free Beijing ka bedru krom hakra enanti ya ka bedru afedi ya ko up and down sama aban decide say 3 billion no ho sam na do so do enti no say omo pese omo kapulo no ana say omo ya kapulo
ya chichechemu
dabi
na ya di bibi ya di ceiling to so
ya 1.5 billion na me no me share arguments a omo ye no first ya kwaba busia no omo say ye de say 13,000 barrels of oil a day and ye di ye
ebesia wo
after the Chinese for na ba be ka kire say 13,000 barrels no omo ye fra bibi model omo use asesa enti no e be cover 840 million pe oh my God, pa na ye niema basa say enti ye negotiation no na eye den omo ka say 3 billion no after the Chinese for na be ka kire say it is only 13,000 barrels a day ye dey ma omo no it will only cover 840 million baby ye jira no enti na say akoye twema mentwe no but be that as it may TK, be that as it may. Me take Jamaica say, I am a fire could do ye. Mr. Say, send your president, he can.
Your money, your last.
Your money, your last. If we say, after dear,
do not for Tigari.
Yeah, you will not.
Okay.
Now, Saj day, I saw me D kind say, it's a form of godliness. Who can you cheat? Sakabio.
Or so more carry money, many me sumpa, more pamua who are then.
It's a form. In any case, the German partner president beat me. Petition near the manner constitutional provision and
yeah.
Yeah, I was oh yeah no why. Now who can Jida, now who can Suba, now who can Sada offer Jida, Subao, Sadao, Kikabika. Welcome. Ekosi say
basa kobishi yenwie
na de yenwie no ekosi say di da dia ye bo boy no join your friend say anaso kan wasam
manase azu
omo kan wasam no ekosi say o kai say report no kra ba ye na esi ebi ye final report ebi nya final report ebi ye we ekosi say
nti de ye nyina nkosi hwe
ekosi
ahuru nko
ade na me say Bible or say it is a form of godliness. It is a form. Ekosi say pa na me de me say mama no owo your friend say
Shraj
no say nka me nua no a say nka me yonko no a ka me ka kire ne say babia adru no kami ni nua no me catch say
unim no ba bia unim no link bia
nim no ni nua ba ma bi mom na me nim no ba to no ade bi nim no
okay
me calculate say ba me ni ahye no ho ba
ka be catch ni senka on
ka be catch no but you see tike me carry no me na try bia na lasem ye me ya lasem ye me ya efri say sa dia wa ye enya no nko na aye bi o
so de na aba
aha but eye free omudie abamu appointees afini dia omo ti ho anu no
say
the omo high now $3,500 a month the omo high now 4,000 the omo into media me imagine pa say omo na so omo di nkoma me die na 4,500 oh and you dey no bo dey chai media kakra o eye free omudie omo nyina government appointees ebebre ye betimi abobo
mo dey aban sika na ye we
we see betimi abobo bebre
na say we nya big deal
daddy ana me ka no ma me no dey oya no I am say wakodi ni nkomo bi baby na oh na me kura me dey na 3,500 oh me dey na dey e wa region me any AU village na dey ni bo ba dey nti no 4,500 na wo dey no eye pa me say eye nkomo dey eye habit can say
suban
eye suban
there's a mudi nkomo na utimi ka say o kan dey 5 or say any audio ndo so dey
omo no me say I can mention 5 or 6 government appointees omotisa enti no
na dey ye mfa so na so Raskuntu
TK
good morning TK ubetumi apesika ubetumi abobosia de ye nemum so obo na de ye party de a ene mfa so bia eni so NDC ekan 2001 say omo hwe kwan a MPP4 edis Ghana sika ebefa so nti dia su Ghana for ye hwe de omo so be ye TK ko adeso na ko hwe wose me kwa me kwa ko hu bibi o me ma wose wo kwa adesu 40 sas mu pa na mo kan o me tea wose wo kwa wi o jai say koso say prom mu di bia papa o okay TK me pese mbisa o se de omampani ma ma echeche no wanya o share na se unya share de na esomu light off nie water shortage die corruption die hasip nie
cholera nie cholera so
cholera di beku ni pa
cholera that's it for 32 years
TK
ma say that
da bia ye canest fo sika asem kire still wo mpese obeye ho hwe eneso ye san kan tubium still ye san kan ya allowance no ye bisa se da ben ye nsa be kan because ye wu obe Medina zeminim se be na mehwe se sika no so nti Raskuntu
ya TK ejeja kon wa kasem bi na mefi de oso betuma bo aban penifo
o se
enti oye radio do
but man there no
but me there no so mbo
o be there no so mbo
of course
o sir
yes because you see yenyina ye pe oman ye na wose wo kan na nkayofo na se panyin tifie wanka wodo be kan osande awo na akohu de mpanyinfo bi da me fin no wodi na oman so no ho kire na wodi da me fin no na abetra ha ka me pede oboy da me mpanyinfo no wodi
ombo
me na me ka kire
onye dama
on train sign and a bomb because no take want to me metranka no listen you see me mama chi ni hwani bema ni bema o de jet kroma
no o se onie
no ogina ho no ka de manam di tum on the bema
but so obetima ye bibi anonymous utimi ka se asemi me ede no kwelu but me
no yedu critique yedu mpempenso a o man yare o wana wode yare aka o man no o de yehu dam na re ya na re bo o man no
okay
atasa se ibejina ona kede kuntu blans wa yedam na eche
etika omodi
that is it
se be ni pass message our ministry we are now sense
oh yeah damadi na abanity na so ntu steps a na say betra na ebi say de aban here de
no about the listen by
nti bo ana ba omunim
waso no onim
waso no onim no ko nti me pede kama msumiti bi waso cham so me ka me hu de o menu agako ohu de mo smesi damadwuma ni wati ano ndanche me what a kodra na ina meketu opanyi bi enyi wati fia number come di wo so a onfa kwa na obama number we didi enti ukọ abransa commander krobi of friend okafu didi abrensa commander ohe no se ne man no na ahochiri wo no okobo obese na ode ye o man na obere be Jesus God menu menye skin bi na okafu po yede otiti sabe bosia emu nemu ma zate bosia ne be ye ono hia enti so man no ko parliament what the loan a agreement aba na monhwe na monfantu ya oda mreshe bego mo responsibility na e be hwe de sika na wo ko gina wo bo man no because they be make de opposition is part of this government because metro constitution na ye also ye here minority and majority minority and a form of parliament and they are the decision making body approve of laws for the nation so you are part of the government
yes, I mean to an extent.
I'm telling you are part of the government. Only man can wait na can stand orders. So you are there to shape the government.
By implementation,
you are not part of the government.
Listen.
You are an arm of government. It is a completely different matter.
It's your arm of government.
Arm of government.
The arm of government. The arm of government in a partner. Arm is part of the system. The arm is the part of the system.
No. But Rasi, and you be say, me were arm. But some men can't say, "Man, sorry, I'm free. I'm arm. No going to mean sorry, maha." On your dem there.
Or your whole system. We are talking about systemic. Atasa na arm no, you're integral part of the system. And the integral part has a responsibility to make sure that the government fashion a system that will be worthy for the people.
It is all kind of sabosiana or mokoji, you know, or mokahumbi, whatever it is. But sometimes it's will be crowd or crowd, and so I bind the word dominant to be cheerful.
Only the worst form of our system are inherited. With democracy without recourse to our culture. Until it takes time to modify.
Actually, 20-something years.
US for now America, Britain, where the epitome of democracy. Look at the way they are going. Still, their system is not perfect. Atasa, and Timmy Feeder with time will be able to solve the problem. But Mama Pedam can see and TK. Eja do mama why be. Sabi corruption ba no etu ana man oka jida
oka jida suba na adin nti owen
recent until there
nti owen no odi quotation by there omo kare omo ni mama nyame so mpa nsusu omo pamu ahoden ye hurum ko a ni kwa
in the context of this biblical expression I cannot interpret it because I don't know where it's coming from.
Okay. But where quotation?
Where quotation no better me. But interpretation here because most of some people preach no quotation or they are on match the asemo ka.
But in this case there.
Nyame also better akede bra Yesu ho oje hiafo oje sikafo nanso ebia suban na obeba no oba onsua ma Yesu ka kire no. Nti ona de yafa no nto na me hwe asem na yeken ninja fauli TK
Honorable.
Mampere me kan dey. With regards to this shrag me my president obeya because anyo no ocho nsonwe osan dem bra wo man nim ana wa kire dey or law abiding president odi mbra so enti se asem ne ba on dey the penal kan NDC wo yobo abey na me ka cho dey insisinti na afan the assembly bia ho
sir.
It is a president. We petition. Ebinum say petition. Ma be yan there. On court to committee bio. Na akofo yenda ba. O de akoma. Oye oba paying.
So when the constitution no is straight.
That is it. Into de akoma oba paying. That is it. De akoma oba paying. We che there or a law abiding president. On in che there so nso ye bibi no ya me yanka. You see, so be
which is a law abiding president.
President.
But our choice.
Oh, only choice, sir.
Okay.
Sabi, TK, UTA, what's it na moderator di. Apart from that, what choice you?
David.
Aha. Sa na onsa kwaye. Nti ono to ya ba. Okay, maame, ko hwehwem. Na mom osade maame no be na adwuma ntam. No de ne hu mbuya na brande. Onue, ada di sem nsei, ni mbuya yi. Na se mbuya ne ba, na ne odo ye wan ya. Na kire.
No nze.
Honestly, I won't assume be an or the animal or my pain and Cassas. Anna 2 Suba Jida said, no, I can't say. Yeah, well, and yet then, I'm saying last week was the last 2 weeks. Anna or Swafua or Shagreco, do Kofi Mado, or go court. I said, you see, so some of they are going to court. Yes, or they are going to court. On our son, open oil, Salah and Buzia case. No court. President Mama will not do that.
Salah and Buzia case no kind.
Okay, Buzia's no court.
The full statement no.
The full statement.
Full statement no.
The full statement.
Mama, the topic go and study.
I know they are there.
As a case study.
I know they are there.
President Mama will not do no court. You will do as the law requires.
Okay, I'll but they can we see what I say. The BI Becca the Echo so mem has be and I don't know be say was been cancer or say 2 Kings 7:9 the ye I know what is as another. Sir, oh, near no, I try to 2 Kings 7:9 or see the ye. Aha. Okay, I'll be who. So no, and the ye.
You can annoy the elder.
Honorable Yako, you better ya sunti.
You know, yeah, Becca, yeah, some no, yes, I'll come with you. Yeah, best rabbi. Sir, ye, and you know, here. I am a four, the Omukan ya, and there you'll be say, the Tikwa Pay. Me say, I buy much lecture you. I buy. And Nuntina or yet a bang. It is the government for the people. And you know, yeah, almost and I that woman and I almost brew baby almost drew. Masa Miss Way and ya arithmetic. Kuntabu, almost metric. They talk to me, no, I can't want some. Shall I say me say a Rabano Senka.
One na so wonu ba no ka beka che ne se
but e tell be a me feel say the entia o ya yetintintintin no say me sure say na dwene mo say ah na de amakoye e bi mada
no a big deal
a big deal where are you be especially
we na went me amba wonu ase went me
oh
obema o dia to kromu so ntimi nkasa
me sura dia ba ko e tell be a ne ma no ye mabi twam
okay
e tell be a ne ma no ye mabi twam enti no ye be say but we num nyina nkamfo no aye me say die e wosi ye sua free mu ne say hwe sa free range aye de ma ban no emra dru say ye si ejira ye bi obi koye ben adwuma e de ben na e wo say ye de ma no e de ben na e wo say ni nsetimika baby bebre no America apart from president I'm not sure about the vice president apart from president or better White House obi akwa anu akopa de baby atena obi akwa anu akopa de car
last week you show picture bi wa ha Obama ne David Cameron and Suta omon kase kutachi ni Yesu
yes
has security officers Suta omon juniors kutachi ni yedi gina omon so no omon juniors na munsuo
oh aya ya anya ne sa ya appointee obi aban panyin so ye minister say oye part of the executive ya no director general wo adwuma bi ma na say no chief executive officer wo baby
yan kire exactly Adekye was said no honorable ye bra so me da se emre bi we anka say ye nua beneficent ye story bi say enkabe ya ye mpesika bi obo sika bi obunkunta bi na nka bibi te say yesi we free ni ye twani tie de usika show nsem a
de opese obi
bia be kwa kwotena hin be kwa kwotena hin wanka se wasa
but the last one
just a
little bit possible we person me say there's a big difference about being an arm of government and being part of
okay
parliament part of government even majority side because they are very strictly
but obintumi enchirechire mu nka say say arms of government until one of every one of them
judiciary is an arm of government but judiciary is not part It's not part of this government.
Okay. All right.
Separation of powers.
Honorable, me honorable kuntu argument bi. Was here in aya ban me say that be me. Okay, that be
executive.
Okay.
Executive and work and
so gas be there.
There's difference between government and party.
So what are the two different things?
So, and the government or governance is a system, and it has integral part. Whether he likes it or not, when you come to government, the subject government, yes, it's a system. Then you are integral part. So if you are integral part, you are arm of the system. So how do you? But there was separation of powers. You see, with the system that runs so, there are other activities or functions that is pertaining to each sector. You understand? So if you analyze all together, it's a system, and you cannot take yourself out. Your responsibility means that be a check on the government, checks and balances, so you can check the system the way it should be. That is aside. But with Mamini and the Kai, Koku, Kwame Jakunti, Kwame Jakunti Kai. Me, I'm a pet of a kind there. We are dear. My bedrian and I'm a bitcher.
Nothing then.
Say,
Ubi baby.
It was baby Nara Yadzi, nephew there, ring yards of Bobois. Domino, no sun, Abacon.
No one's managing.
Of course, because Orkade, your friend, I Jida, Suba, Ninke Kahona de, so ye on a couple court. What do you be? Bessinko you are no.
Okay.
Okay, matters. Hanty or day with there. Okay, mine, near Ojando, Mate, na my bedrian.
Me what text messages bebre wa ha se tike me pese bisa senti di atwa. I hope say ni edin sa de di atwa e ka Ghana ho ana me ko ho no electricity omo kwan enye car nko ho ene ya post obi akwakoto o se asa sunya na de we se ba tike NDC for no what do you very clear tike pese bisa salvation am senior high school wan na ni just made them Honorable Kuntu Blankson, small Canadian, no one yard, crack. President Mama Fide, UTV, you are really making life okay, like OK FM, neat like Neat FM, peaceful like Peace FM. My regards to you or Raphael. Raphael. Thank you very much. TK, Yempeni Mfono, Omolus, Omon say, Ombe control quite a faswa, Yedisikan, yes, idea. About to say the Adekye Nsroma, Kunsuno, Enkusi she. TK that crow for honorable some who could to a black. Now, on match churches, answer me money and Tiasia pa. On no better TV, Eddie radio so can say, Ubia to said Dr. Baumia. Went to me and we said, don't to me and to us the Okantike. Ube to me, Bobosia, Eddie Ayome, and so did ya, and Fasobia and Fisum. But now it's exciting times on MTN. It's free after one on MTN to all networks, so talk for as long as you can with MTN in Commodore today. You pay for only the first minute and the rest is free. Yes, it's absolutely free after the 1 minute. Enjoy unlimited talk time. Only on MTN to all networks. Make that call now and pay for only the first minute. Dial *315# to sign up for free. We MP no constituents to meet that. So go on and enjoy the freedom of longer conversations with MTN and Commodore and say welcome to the new world. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Penifo edamunyinaas abedifo ye sorry ochenya me yadoma ye besan ehie bi mo chena ye kasafa ye didie aduane ye di hu se kube mfaso be na woso ni nsuo na aduane ene na nwa ochenya me yadoma ye besan hie bi edemase ne mu kai 2 Kings 7:9 ye enye